Hey, Blake.
Say it loud.
Hey, Blake.
You want to see my new room?
Uh-huh.
Show him your new room, Joey.
He's catching some. Don't. Ah! Oh! Shoot me.
What kinds of new things did you get put in your room, Joe?
Yeah?
What's that? Up there? And then what?
There.
And these little knobs on your drawers.
Yeah.
And this cool train set. And the knobs on this one.
I'm looking.
And this right here. You can see me in it.
Mom, my drink is catching nappies. My drink is catching nappies.
Wow. Let's see. Whoa. All right, well, why don't you say goodbye to Blake?
Bye, Blake.
What else do you have to say?
Bye-bye. Bye, Joey.